When you do a big blockbuster film, then people say कि अच्छा उसमें तो role कम था. I'm very proud of Dawn 2 and Agnipath, and I'm very proud of being a part of those two films. It has the potential of being a really big blockbuster movie.
I'm sure that कहीं ना कहीं से आपको ट्विटर पे आपको फॉरवर्ड तो हो ही जाते होंगे आजकल जिस तरीके का ज़माना है.
ऐसा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि मुझ तक बात ना पहुंचे.
Exactly.
All of Mr. Bachchan's remakes I do. Dawn, Agnipath, and now Zanjeer.
I always have fun working with Priyanka.
You know, your last two films, Agnipath and Dawn 2, both of them, they've been super hit blockbusters. But at the same time, Priyanka Chopra के जो fans हैं, they missed her because your roles were not that maybe in large, like a Saath Khoon Maaf and all. But as far as Teri Meri Kahani is concerned, I think it's like a performance-oriented role. Your dressing sense is coming out in a different manner. You are having 3 different eras to cater to. This is something that you must be looking forward to big time.
See, I think it's very tragic. When you do a big blockbuster film, then people say कि अच्छा उसमें तो role कम था, because I mean these are boy-oriented action films. Agnipath being Indian and
I'm saying it from fans' perspective.
If I do a woman-oriented film, then people say that अरे you know these are smaller films. They're not those big 100 crore films. Where are the 100 crore films? तो मतलब हम दोनों तरफ से ही फंसते हैं. But I don't think that's how you should see it. I'm very proud of Dawn 2 and Agnipath, and I'm very proud of being a part of those two films and the fact that they were appreciated so much. Yes, I'm the kind of actor who takes on films with really big parts and does all of that, and I mix up my films. I do a little bit of everything. I'll do the big blockbuster movies, and at the same time I'll do one film for the actor in me. You know, so you have to balance it. And Teri Meri Kahani is a little bit of both for me. It has 3 incredible roles for me, and I think it has the potential of being a really big blockbuster movie. What I love about Teri Meri Kahani is its simplicity. It's just simple love stories. It's 3 simple love stories with 2 people who are absolutely crazy about each other and how they get to that point. And that's what I love about it.
Shayad, you guys are neighbors as well. When you read stuff about, say, Priyanka Chopra in newspapers at times it becomes quite
What makes you
below the
think
belt.
the papers at all anymore?
But I'm sure that कहीं ना कहीं से आपको ट्विटर पे आपको फॉरवर्ड तो हो ही जाते होंगे आजकल जिस तरीके का ज़माना है.
ऐसा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि मुझ तक बात ना पहुंचे.
Exactly. So, as someone who's known her for quite some time, and at times certain चीज़ें और भी सामने आती हैं which seems a bit below the belt. How do you react to it? Do you guys discuss? Do you guys just empathize with each other?
What is there to discuss here? I think you respect the other person, and somewhere if you respect them as a person, you respect the fact that the decisions that they make and the things that they do in life would be good and the best in their circumstance, and you give them that much credit for being able to take the right decisions for themselves, and beyond that, everybody's own life is their personal space. I don't think anybody would appreciate intrusion, and I think if somebody wants to talk to you about something, they'll bring it up, and if they're not bringing it up, you have to learn to give them their private space regarding that. And beyond that, I guess all of us as actors somewhere do understand what the other person is going through, because you know it happens to everybody at some point.
And what are you guys doing next? I think lots of speculation that you're doing Manish Sharma's film, and you're doing
Manish's film.
Parineeti opposite you?
I am not sure about that, but I am doing Manish's film, and that will start July end or August sometime. So after I'm done with promotions for this film, I'll prep for a few days and I'll start that.
Okay, and what about Siddharth Ananda? Are you doing a film with him?
Me and Siddharth are really good buddies here, so there's a lot of stuff that we've been talking about, and I'm sure at some point we will do something together. But I think people are jumping to conclusions that we are doing a film together because we hang a lot together, we spend a lot of time together. Obviously, there is a lot of work that is discussed sometimes, but there's nothing that's defined right now.
Okay, and what about Puneet Malhotra's film? Are you doing that?
No, I'm not doing that film.
Vettai, what is the latest on that?
You know, I really liked the original, and I felt that it had a lot of potential. They need to come back to me with a Hindi dialogue draft, and once I go through that, I'll be able to understand whether it works for me or not. But I did like the original a lot.
Okay, anything else apart from that in the pipeline?
No, just 22nd June and Teri Meri Kahani, and focusing on that. Yeah, there's a film that I'm doing with Vijay Nambiar, which is a very edgy, dark film in the space that Kamine was. And that will be produced by Mubina Ratanse, who was the executive producer of Kamine.
Right, okay, and Priyanka Chopra, you're doing Zanjeer remake, right? Okay.
All of Mr. Bachchan's remakes I do. Dawn, Agnipath, and now Zanjeer.
I feeling she's playing Amitji's character. I have this dirty inkling that I think she would be.
I don't think Ram Charan will like that. Don't say it.
Forthcoming plans, when is your album coming out, the singles and all?
Second half of the year is going to be pretty interesting. Well, kicks off with Teri Meri Kahani, which is June 22nd. Then I get into Barfi, which will come August 31st, I think. And while I shoot for Krish this year, and I'll start Zanjeer. At the same time, I'm also doing my music, and hopefully we should drop a single by July, August, September, July, summer this year is my aim. And right now I'm reading a whole bunch of stuff to see what I want to do next year.
Barfi is something that you must be looking forward to for sure.
Yes, Barfi is something I'm really excited about. I think, like whatever I've seen of it, I've been shooting for Barfi right now. And we saw some of the trailers, some of the promos, and I think it's really, really exciting. I'm very excited about that movie. It'll be, I mean, it's a completely different part for me. I don't even know half the people will recognize me in it. But if I've managed to do it right, then I think it's something I'll be very proud of.
Most special memories of Teri Meri Kahani for individually for both of you?
I think Teri Meri Kahani itself was very special to me. Everywhere that we shot, whether it was London, whether it was, Stratford-upon-Avon or Nottingham, or whether it was all the Bombay schedules that we did for 1910 or 1960. I think that the greatest part about Teri Meri Kahani was how much all of us enjoyed ourselves, between Kunal, me, Shahid, Vicky, Binoy, like the whole crew. We used to always hang out together. We used to always be together. We had so much fun making this film, shooting the songs that we were always, if you ever see the making, you'll know, we were always joking, laughing. It was just such a fun environment that reflects upon the film. So I think I'm just going to miss the film now that it's almost done. It's almost out.
Great.
आप हमें भूल जाओ, हमें कोई गम नहीं. आप हमें भूल जाओ, हमें कोई गम नहीं. जिस दिन हमने आपको बुला दिया, समझ लीजिएगा इस दुनिया में हम नहीं.
Like Priyanka said, all schedules were a lot of fun, and I always have fun working with Priyanka. And Kunal is a very easy director to work with. He's very relaxed, very easy. And because it's a fun film, I think we had a lot of fun on this film. With Kamine also, there was a lot of fun, but I think it was a lot more demanding. It was, but it was a lot more demanding. So, you know, I think in this film, everybody was a lot more relaxed. It was easier, and it was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. It's probably been one of the most fun films that I've done, and I'm going to miss it too.
मैं तुमसे कहीं ना कहीं जरूर मिलूंगा.
Thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hungama, and all the best wishes for the film, and we really hope that it does exceedingly well. All the best.
Thank you for it.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.